In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable mobile view on Wix. Making sure your site looks great on phones is essential, and Wix makes it simple to switch into a dedicated mobile workspace so you can fine-tune everything your visitors see on smaller screens. Start by opening Wix Studio. From there, head to your Wix dashboard where all your sites are listed. Choose the site you want to work on and click Edit Site to open the editor. This brings you into the main design canvas where you usually build the desktop version. Now let's switch to the mobile environment. At the very top of the editor, look for the view toggle that shows a desktop icon and a phone icon side by side. This control lets you jump between desktop and mobile. Click the phone icon to enter mobile view. You'll notice the canvas narrows to a phone-sized frame, and the toolbar adapts to tools designed for mobile adjustments. With mobile view enabled, you can begin editing the mobile layout. Think vertically. Elements stack, spacing matters more, and oversized items can push content too far down the page. Drag sections to rearrange them, snap elements into place, and pay attention to margins and padding so everything feels balanced. If text or images feel cramped, give them breathing room. You can now add sections specifically while viewing your mobile layout. Use the Add panel to insert pre-built sections like headers, hero areas, galleries, or contact blocks. Choose designs that are clean and legible on small screens. When you add a section here, it fits into your mobile flow, and you can still tailor it without disrupting how things look on desktop. Don't forget to edit text for readability. Shorten headings if they wrap awkwardly, adjust font size so it's comfortable without overwhelming the screen, and tweak line spacing for clarity. Keep paragraphs concise and scannable, and make sure buttons have clear, action-focused labels that are easy to tap. If something feels unnecessary on mobile, you can hide it. This is helpful for decorative sections or dense content that works on desktop but clutters a phone view. Simply right-click the section and select Hide. Hidden items remain in your site, but won't appear on mobile. You can show them again from the same menu whenever you need. That's all there is to it. You've opened your site in the editor, switched to mobile view, refined the mobile layout, added and edited sections, adjusted your text, and hidden anything that doesn't belong on a small screen. Your visitors will thank you for a faster, cleaner mobile experience.